Hmm? There suddenly appears an animal.
It's amazing! Let's check it out. Who is this?
The world is amazing.
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet. Activate.
Let's check out what this is.
Bulging eyes, flat body, tiny limbs, curly tail, chameleon. Chameleons are masters of camouflage in the nature. They can change colors and blend into background.
Got it. It's chameleon and can change its colors.
You're right. Chameleons are masters of camouflage. A chameleon can change its colors according to the colors of surrounding. In this way, the chameleon blends into the background as it is invisible.
Wow! That's amazing. I wish I could change colors. I also want to turn into the most beautiful rainbow duck.
The chameleon is not only able to change its colors, but is also an expert at catching insects.
Aw? How does a chameleon catch insects?
Kids, do you know how a chameleon catches insects? A. Wrap insects with its tail. B. Catch insects with its hands. C. Stick insects with its tongue.
That's right. You are right.
The muscles on the chameleon's tongue are well developed. As the prey approaches, the chameleon quickly sticks out its tongue, catches the prey, and brings it back to its mouth.
Stick out its tongue. Catch insects. Chameleon is amazing.
There is something even more amazing. Look! Instead of running away from predators, the chameleon will change its colors to avoid being discovered.
Wow!
Let's check it out. The chameleon will change its colors with the environment to escape from predators. Well done! The chameleon has successfully escaped from predators. Quacky, what have you learned about the chameleon?
Oh, a chameleon can change all kinds of colors.
A chameleon catches insects with its tongue. A chameleon escapes from predators by changing its colors.
You're right.
Which medal should the camel get? Medal for Master of Cold. Medal for Master of Invisibility. Medal for Strong Warrior. Medal for Master of Invisibility.
Chameleons can hide themselves by changing colors. The medal for Master of Camouflage goes to the chameleon.
Good job. Let's get some practice. Let's try to find the chameleon. 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 Let's slide the cards to piece a chameleon together. Chameleon. Flowers. Snake. Chameleon. A chameleon escapes from predators by changing its colors.